Bend down further.
Hi.
Let's see how you do it.
Hi.
Oh god, yeah, she's way cuter.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome back to our channel, Face Your Fears on 55th. Today we'll be unboxing and building
Darling Dolly. Let's start unpacking. Make it cool. Feels like you built.
Alright, now Ray's going to show us some of the detailing. Alright. This is her head. As you can see, it's got a lot of cracked detailing. She's got a kind of gingery looking hair. Some red lips. Her eyes, what color are her eyes? Don't they change? I think they start blue. And then go red, yeah.
Inside they're black right here.
Mm-hmm. You have any other details you want to talk about?
She's very creepy.
Yeah. All right. You want to bring the arms?
Yeah, I get an arm. The arms are really long and creepy.
Oh, no thank you. What do you think? Should I bring this to your bed?
No,
They kind of look like branches, almost. Like creepy.
These arms remind me of something I just can't think of right now.
You can't think of what it is?
And
Definitely
then
creepy.
you can see they have like this, a lot of pups have.
It's called creepy cloth. All right.
And the hands way soft.
Nice.
And big. Let's start building.
Okay, first we're going to want to take the base and we're going to connect the B to B. And then push that pin in.
For Baba?
And now push A in. So you push A into A.
For Anne?
Now we got to attach the support poles to the base, and we're going to attach C to C and D. Then we're going to attach these poles. Next, we're going to put the pins in so the poles stay in place.
A little difficult.
Okay, next we're going to take support pole E and attach it to E that's already attached.
E for N.
And then we're going to take F and attach it to F.
Oh.
Next, we're going to take the mechanism and attach H to H.
H to H.
And G to G.
Done.
Next, we're going to attach the cords. N will go to N. And then P to O.
Pizza, pizza.
Next, we're going to take the arm and attach it to the shoulder. Next, take the other arm and attach it into the shoulder. What are you doing? Lastly, we are going to attach the head to the pole.
Her head's creepy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Then there's Velcro on our cloth, and you're going to Velcro that to the base. Now Raelyn's going to plug her in and see what she does.
And then get close. Now pose and pose.
Welcome back to our channel, Face Your Fears on 55th.
Unboxing and